Hello brothers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to fix lag issues and speed up our phone in just 3 steps. Before we go, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get more videos like this. Okay, let's start the step number 1 to solve the lag issue. Navigate to settings and click on about phone and click on software information. There are many options. Click on build number in 7 times. It will on your developer options. We can see that the developer options has been enabled, and go to developer options and scroll down and search for animations, window animation, and 3 options will appear. You can see that the 3 options have appeared. Click on window animation scale and keep to 0.5x, and transition animation scale keep to 0.5x, and same animated duration scale keep to 0.5x. This step number 1 solves your lag issue and speed up your phone by disabling animations in your phone. We had finished our step number 1, and let's go to step number 2. Okay, let's do step number 2. Navigate to settings and click on battery and device care, and you can see many options, and click on memory, and the interface appear like something, and click on clean now. It cleans your unnecessary data in the apps. You can see that 610 MB is cleaned, and we can also increase our RAM by RAM plus option. You can see that 2.3 GB data is available. It cleans your 700 MB data. Okay, let's do step number 3. Okay, let's do step number 3, and this is very important step to fix your lag issues. Navigate to settings and click on developer options and search for buffer logger, and keep the maximum 8 am. In some phones it will be 16 am. Keep your maximum sizes. And in the same interface, and search for don't keep background activities option. You can see that in apps it has don't keep background activities, and enable it. It will remove all your background activities and speed up your phone. These are the steps to speed up your phone and fix lag issues. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this.